Another peaceful morning of hard work. What is that strange sound? Oh no, a hawk trapped in a net. Easy now, I'll get you out.
The farmer showed kindness and freed the trapped bird. I will remember your kindness.
Thanks for saving my life. You're welcome, friend. I must go now. Fly safe.
Time passed, and life continued.
Hey, my hat! Well, I'll be. You ungrateful bird! I saved you and you stole from me!
Oh no, I was wrong. You didn't steal my hat, you saved my life! Thank you for saving my life. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow Smileys Toon.